Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut honey glazed chicken. It's a baked chicken thigh recipe glazed in honey coconut sauce. It's so good and really easy to make. So let's get started. Alright you guys, to make this recipe we're going to use 6 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. We're going to season with 4 teaspoons of garlic salt on both sides of the chicken. If you don't have garlic salt in your pantry, you can simply use a combination of garlic and onion powder and salt. Once your chicken has been seasoned, you're going to turn your heat to medium-high. And you guys always ask me what hot plates I use. I'm using this hot plate that was sent to me by Sonavo. I've used it a few times and it works really good. I'm going to leave a link below together with a coupon code if you guys are interested. Once you place your pan onto your hot plate, you're going to drizzle in some olive oil. Allow the oil to get really hot, then toss in your chicken thighs. We're going to sear the chicken for 3 minutes on the skin side, then turn them over and sear them another 3 minutes on the meat side. So we're looking for this nice golden brown color, and I'm actually very impressed by this cooktop. It fries really well. Alright, next we're going to add some sliced onions, then allow the onions to cook with the chicken for about 2 minutes until they turn translucent. Then we're going to toss in some minced garlic and ginger. We're going to let the garlic and ginger cook for about a minute until they get fragrant. Then we're going to add some unsweetened coconut water. This will add a little bit of a coconut flavor. Next, we're going to dump in some honey, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Once the honey goes in, you're going to turn your heat to high and cook this for about 5 minutes. We want the sauce to thicken up a little. So while the sauce is thickening up, you want to baste your chicken just like I'm doing. So once the sauce thickens up a little, you want to preheat your oven to 450 Fahrenheit and finish cooking the chicken for 30 minutes in the oven. In between the baking time, you want to take out your chicken and give it a good basting, then put it back. And here it is, right out of the oven. It smells really good, and look at all that juicy sauce you get to enjoy the chicken with. Since this is a chicken thigh recipe, if the sauce gets a little greasy, you can easily skim off the grease and you're good to go. The chicken came out very flavorful and tender. I served it over rice and vegetables. It was really good. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. By the way, I want to talk about the hot plate I used in today's video. It was sent to me by Sonavo to try it out and give a review. As you can see, it's very lightweight and portable, so you can use it anywhere. For instance, if you're a student, you can use it in your dormitory or the balcony. And it's powerful. It has multiple levels of power control, really easy to control. It cooks really well. I enjoy using it. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box together with a coupon code.